I am thrilled to kick off our demonstrations with the launch of Ask Obi, our groundbreaking new intelligent assistants. Let's dive into the ways that Ask Obi will bring immense value into your operations. Gone are the days of jumping across multiple data sources and spreadsheets, combining results just to answer a single question. This advanced AI technology empowers you to inquire, interact, and evaluate all of your Optimal Blue data with ease. In short, it empowers executives, capital markets managers, or anyone in this room to become their own data scientist or their own data analyst. As you likely know, we have some of the most broadly representative data in the industry, thanks to our unmatched market share, and of course, a big thanks to all of you in the audience today being an active and engaged part of that market dominance. Our AI seamlessly integrates with the entirety of your PPE data, and coming soon, all of your hedging data, so you can use our expansive data to your own competitive advantage. Your line of sight into your margin strategies is about to be clearer than ever before. You can now easily request detailed profitability metrics with a simple inquiry, from the front-end pricing in your PPE all the way through to loan sale profitability metrics via our hedging platform, empowering you to get answers, gain insights, and most importantly, drive action immediately. Let's explore Ask Obi with some real-world application and use cases to showcase some of the examples that this AI assistant can do for you. Ask Obi will be accessible to all properly permissioned users directly through our corporate website, optimalblue.com. There is no need for your leaders or your staff to have to log into an individual Optimal Blue product. Once authenticated, you'll be taken to the landing page where you can immediately start engaging with your data. Simply select one of our preloaded questions or type your own in the chat window. Let's start with some questions related to lock volume. Ask Obi will answer with some easy to consume and understand responses. First, we can ask about lock volume for the prior quarter. We can continually build off each question by asking comparisons, for example, like Q3 versus Q4 volume. Ask Obi will return both surmised statistics as well as graphical representations of answers for ease of use and optionality. We can continue to drill in and ask for volume to be broken out by things like loan type, continue to probe and glean more insights on areas of growth from an MSA perspective, and more. We can also shift our focus and ask OB to explore questions about staff performance. We can begin by identifying our top originators from a lock submission growth perspective. Next, we can delve into analytics around post-lock activity to see how many times our team is having to manually touch files. Once we understand that, we can continue to ask even more questions to gain deeper insights, to learn things like turnaround times. Once manual touches are required, how long is my team spending in those files to perform those activities? Hopefully driving more optionality into more auto acceptance and that lights out lock desk feature. Finally, let's look at profitability metrics in Ask Obi. For deeper insights, we can ask about identifying MSAs, for example, with the highest rendered margin. We can then explore markets where margin shifts or changes are most notable. Incorporating critical factors like concession data can further refine our analysis, because as we all know, you can't simply look at margins without looking at issued concessions. We can ask questions on an individual level, such as who submitted the most concessions during a specific period, or on a broader scale, what business channel or branch are submitting the most concessions. And building on this data, we can identify the most common reasons for concessions. And that's truly where the beauty of Ask Obi lies, in its versatility, allowing us to explore a myriad of different information avenues. For instance, we can analyze the breakdown of all concession by concession reason, so we can ensure that our concessions are being issued correctly against our policies. Any previously asked question, of course, can also easily be accessible in the left-hand navigation panel by simply just scrolling back and forth to be able to quickly hop to previously answered questions. Perhaps the best part of this solution is that while this launch is backed by a substantial investment of 2 full development teams working on this project for over 6 months, it has been made available to you at no additional cost. The streamlined and immediate insights that Ask Obi produces will bring limitless potential for both your profitability and your efficiency, and this is just the beginning. You will continue to witness our unwavering dedication and investment in this and other generative AI products throughout 2025 and beyond.